Hey everyone, this is Dan at SPE Motorsport. On today's product spotlight, we're going to go over our line of Hellcat pulleys, which covers the 6.2 Hemi engine that Dodge produced in the TRX, Challenger, Charger, Trackhawk, the Durango behind us, and anything else with the 6.2 Hemi that was supercharged from the factory. So to my right here, we have the factory pulley. This pulley is a one-way clutch design. It weighs well over 4 pounds. And they're pretty large from the factory. They make anywhere in the 9 to 10 pound boost range on most of the vehicles, and it's pretty inferior, and there's a lot of room for improvement. So moving down the line here, we actually have our line of pulleys. There's two different types of pulleys that we offer for the Hellcat. They are 10 rib from the factory, so the larger pulleys 2.7 and up that we offer for the Hellcat do not need to have any of our grip technology in them. There's no point in having it because it just adds more wear to the belt. So 2.6 and down, which we go down to 2.27 here on the table. That has our grip technology in it called CKP. It's a convex knurling process that we came up with. So moving down the line, we have our hub. Our hubs are pretty cool because they're engineered to the extent of having it as light as possible. So, you know, instead of doing a socket drive on the face of the hub to install it, we actually made our own socket and we tapered it to a point of making it as light as possible. So the hub and socket are actually specifically made for each other. It's a mating socket specifically for the hub. And that allowed us to knock quite a bit of weight off of the design and help with rotational mass. The hubs are available in stainless and titanium. The tools are also available, the holding tool for the blower snout and the tool for the hub. They're available separately or as a package. You can get it like this here. We do offer titanium bolts with the titanium hub, or you can run the stainless hub with titanium bolts. And the pulley sizes are optional, so you can select whatever pulley size you want or buy individual pulleys later. And we also offer a pulley for the Hellcat specifically that is based around the maximum amount of boost pressure and speed that you can spin the factory blower basically without getting out of the limits of the factory calibration. So in other words, we figured out exactly how small we could go on the pulley and not piss off the factory computer. So you don't have to tune it. It's a 100% bolt-on upgrade, which gives you roughly 50 more horsepower. And that's obviously dependent on elevation and everything. That pulley is our Hellmax pulley setup, and it's available with obviously it's available for the 6.2 Hellcat. All right, guys. Now that we went over our line of Hellcat pulleys, we wanted to show you some of the testing data that we did with the Hellmax pulley setup, actually on the Durango behind us. So we'll go ahead and clip those in so you can see those.
Oh, fuck that. 60.
We dropped almost a full second off of the 0 to 60 time with only a pulley modification. That was a factory flash. Nothing was changed in the ECU. That was basically a completely stock vehicle with our Hellmax setup on it. Works really good. We're very happy with the outcome of that pulley setup. If you guys have any questions on anything in this product line or any of the other products that we sell, give us a call, email us. And like I said earlier in the video, if you have any questions on our CKP grip technology, we'll have a video in the description or a link in the description of this video that you can click on and learn more about that. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.